Zedaan.
Hello.
Hello, Minza.
Hello.
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 So, Zedaan, what are you up to now?
Okay. So, so
What
now,
are you going to make?
So now I am going to draw the world map.
World map.
Yes.
Like how? Using a stencil?
No stencil. I'm just going to draw it.
Oh, wow. You know how to make.
Yes, I have learned now.
So, you can make all the continents and everything.
Yes.
Okay, let me see. Start now. And how much time are you going to take?
Not much.
Okay, let's see.
Okay. So first you need to make area. So I'm going to go like this. So I'm making Russia right now there. This is Russia. This is part of Russia, okay? And what are you doing, Linda? And so you have to do this, and this is also part of Russia, but this part must be Siberia, so I don't know.
Minza, come.
Where are you going, Linda?
Okay, then.
Okay, so then so this is the tip of Russia.
Okay, then.
Okay, so now we made Russia, but still it's not complete. Russia is not complete, but so now let's make China. And while we draw the countries outside, I'm going to draw the outlines of the countries. So
Okay.
I'm going to make them all mixed together.
Okay, do it.
Okay, so then China I'm making China. यहाँ पे Korea है. There's Korea there. I made Korea too. There's a part. This is Korea. Yes, so then I'm making now Myanmar and Vietnam, Laos, and Thailand and Malaysia and Singapore. And so then we have to actually do this to make Malaysia and Singapore and Thailand. So there, like this. And now we need to make India. So like this. Okay. So this is the southern part of India. Actually, India is in the south. And this is Gujarat there. Gujarat state. Okay. So now we're going to draw Saudi Arabia, Yemen, and Oman. Okay, so now we're going to make Saudi Arabia, Yemen, and Oman, and UAE. So we do like this to make UAE, and Yemen and Oman and Saudi Arabia we used to make like this. And this part actually where this is actually the part where Africa meets India, where I mean Asia, not India. So then you need to draw Israel, Syria, Jordan, Turkey, and Iraq there. So there's the Jordan part. Okay. So now Asia is done. Let's do Europe. So we'll leave some space for Europe there. So we'll leave some space for Europe. So it will be like this. And since there's no space for North America and South America,
Okay.
I'm going to draw the back of the paper.
Okay.
So now we're going to draw Europe, and this is the end. This is the tip of Russia, and down comes Norway, Sweden, and Finland. Then Denmark and Germany and so on. Okay, and now we're moving so like this, and then we do France, and then Spain and Portugal,
Wow.
and then Italy. Okay, and then Greece and Ukraine.
Okay.
Okay, and Ukraine there. So now we have drawn Ukraine and back. We have okay. So we come back to Russia there, and then we do a small turn like that and connect to there. Mommy? And then we do a small turn like this and connect to there. Okay, now let's draw Africa.
First write Asia here and Russia.
We'll do that in the last.
Okay.
So Okay, so now we're going to draw Africa. Okay, so now we are going to draw Africa. So first the this part with all these continents I cannot tell the names of. So there are so many countries in Africa, and Africa has the most countries than in Asia. Okay, so now we have done half of Africa. So now we're going to draw Ethiopia and Somalia and Libya and Egypt, and Africa is done. Now we're going to draw Madagascar. It's a country. So now like this, there.
Okay.
This is Madagascar. Okay, now we're going to draw Oceania, and also call as Australia, but we call it Oceania because Australia is a country and a continent, and we only recognize it as a country, so that's why I call it Oceania.
Okay.
So now we're going to draw like this and this like that. Okay, so now a little bit lift up and a little more lift up there, this point. Also Burj Khalifa is like that, but it's not there. Okay, so now we're gonna draw the back curve and the south curve there, and now we're gonna draw, I don't know which part is this, but this part of Australia only. So
What's that?
I don't know what is this, but it could be a state of Australia. So now we're gonna draw New Zealand country. It's a country. Okay, so now like this, and New Zealand's done. Okay, now time to draw North America and South America. I flipped the paper.
Okay.
So because there was no space here, because there's no space. So now I flipped it. So okay. So now let's draw Alaska and its capital. So first Alaska there. Okay. Okay, so now we're on Alaska, but still Alaska is still left. So now we're drawing Canada right now. So like this.
So you're making North America.
Yes. Okay, so I'm making Canada right now. So like this, and then this, then 3 rows, then a slanting and like this row. So 3 rows with 3 rows. So now we're going to draw. Still we're on Canada, but now we're in US. Now we're going to draw the USA, United States of America. So this is Florida, and there's a Miami Beach, and we're still, I don't know what these are parts, but I only know Florida. And San Francisco is also a state. San Francisco, California. I know a few states.
Okay.
Okay, so now we're going to draw. So now we're going to draw Mexico there. Still this one, the US is not complete, but we're drawing Mexico, Honduras, Belize, Guatemala, Panama, and Nicaragua and Costa Rica. This Panama DH. So now let's do Mexico is complete, United States is complete, Canada is complete, and Alaska is complete. I have drawn this part is Anchorage, the capital of Alaska. And I don't know it is a state of yours, but it has a different flag. I don't know why. It should have the same flag. Okay, now let's draw South America. So now we're going to draw like this. Brazil there, and we're gonna draw like this, okay, and then this,